I can only imagine.
All right, we are live. No, but the straightener's not logged in yet. Oh no. That's okay. Because I can just talk to you first. So number one, we gotta talk tips and tricks. Okay, I use these empty like candle containers. I clean them out and all that for like you know, like my makeup brushes and like sometimes like coins, just like random shit. Boom, boom, you're fucking welcome. Okay, it's still gonna get hot, but you can set it on the ground and not burn anything, which is really good. So this is my hair. I haven't done anything to it. I washed it a few days ago. Whatever. Let's see, kind of starting out. Boop. And I just have my little do that with them, and which I use. What I use is this little e.l.f. the clear eyebrow gel. I use that and I just straight apply it with a little brush, or I go in with the Gorilla Glue and just one of these little brushes. What, that is heating up. Okay. So I already did this. So we got just some leave-in conditioner. I usually try and do that one when it's wet. Got some oil, some little Moroccan healing oil. My thing's broken, so just go like that. It's almost out actually. This has lasted me such a long time. So just put a little bit of that. And just to the ends, like kind of like your shoulders and below. I just go up a little bit higher here because of the blonde. If you have damaged or dry hair, you can feel free. It'll soak this stuff up. All of it. And then, last but not least, product-wise, I got Turn Up the Heat. Glass from Sally's Beauty Supply, just a heating spray. Ooh. Okay, my hands are oily. Brush that in. So starting this whole YouTube journey, you know, it's been a really long time. I started out watching YouTube right when it kind of started. 2000s. And it was like, whoa, that's crazy. You can see a random video of somebody else on the internet and learn something from this person, or just purely get entertained. I thought that was crazy, like the craziest concept. And now it's all people watch and do and are like, that's all Instagram kind of.
Only imagine. I can.
Okay, so I turned it down a little too low.
Moonlight, I can only imagine. I can only imagine. I want to know if you will be my favorite song, my little melody.
So let's go through a hair journey real quick. It was I'd say about 2016 when I started getting real serious about taking care of my hair and just not putting a lot of heat on it, not dyeing it until it's dead, which still a little bit guilty with this blonde here. Just being a little more careful, more conscious. And at this point, this is kind of like my hairstyle. I haven't changed it in a few years now. Just refreshed it a few days ago though, more brown, and then just redoing my blonde roots. So I've been doing this exact thing the past, I'd just say 2 years. You'll probably find something a little bit further back, but no, I just wanted to bring back a little bit of pop of color, you know, because I did miss doing all that coloring, but I committed to something, and I've committed to this for a while. But about 2016, my hair was just straight brown. I stopped doing all the crazy coloring. I stopped putting heat on it. I would still like mostly curl my hair, but I really stopped doing it every single day because that's just terrible. Every single day. Made sure, that's when I got on a good routine of, at that point I fully was not washing my hair every single day. You know, I was washing it every few days, and it's nice. It gets healthy to a point where it's like it doesn't need that. And so I'd say my hair was like shoulder length, like about here. Yeah, just kind of, I've never really been big on cutting it like every few months, but I just let it grow and grow and grow and grow. It's 2020 now, so it's been 4 years. It took 4 years to get my hair like this, from, you know, pretty short, I'd say. It was up here. And my hair hadn't been that long since elementary school. You know, 3rd, 4th grade. And when I tell you I needed to stop dyeing my hair so much, I had dyed it every single color. Every color. You know. I did that from middle school all the way high school, and then probably till I was like 20, 21.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery.
And at this point, so I had given myself a haircut a few months ago. Or maybe like a month or 2 ago. Wow, it grew back quick. Okay. Yeah, because I'm thinking this is about what it was before. Like right here, and then I cut it to about here. So it grew really quick in a few months. Yeah, for sure, at least 4 years to get my hair like this. And it's still not where I want it. I mean, it's not like goals or anything, but...
And you and I, we got history, yeah.
And like I said, so I've been wanting to put some color back in my hair, you know what I mean? So I was thinking, you know, I really want to do some platinum blonde, but, you know, I'd probably never be able to do my whole head. And, you know, it's hidden, it's able to be hidden. So I thought it'd be cool. You know, I really don't really care about if I can't have a job or I have something that limits me from the way I look. Like, screw whatever that is. Unless you're just telling me not to full on come naked in public. Cool. I won't. But yeah, I don't like things that tell me I can't have myself a certain way. But, you know, if I want to be a little bit normal, I can just chillax it out. I had done the blonde before, so I had done half and half where the whole bottom half of my head was like blonde and, you know, the top was just my regular natural brown. That was pretty cool. And then when everybody was doing our bangs, we had side swept bangs, and I had ended up, you know, like a few years into that, decided to do something. Everybody was putting color in their hair. So I figured, where should I put color in my hair? In my bangs, bro. So I layered it, and I had the blonde on the bottom of my bangs peeking through the brown. Like Wiz Khalifa back in the day. You know what I mean? Whole thing, blonde strip in the head. But I don't have bangs now. And it's been really strange and different that I kind of do this middle part thing now. I never thought it'd look good on me. And I think it's honestly just the baby hairs. But yeah, I didn't know really what to do, where to put it. I did, I'm not gonna lie, have some inspiration off of Instagram. Super cute girl just had it on the side, peeking through. And I thought it was adorable, you know. That's somebody who could pull off a whole head of blonde. So I wasn't sure what it would look like on me, but I knew I loved my bangs back in high school. I thought that was dope. It's one of the like coolest things I did to my hair, even throughout all these colors and different things. So I kind of just went for it, and at first, you know, I just did a small portion, and I've done it twice where I've added more hair. I just did it real recently again, and then one time before that, and I just incorporated a little extra hair. You can probably still see it. That's the only problem I have is there's still a little bit of like orange in there, but I don't mind too much. It is what it is. I kind of get my vision out. You can see what I'm going for, I guess. At least I can see the starting too.
Wherever love flows, there is also track.
And it takes me about like, I'd say 3 times to bleach my hair. I've done the roots multiple times without adding like new hair, and it still takes like twice to kind of really get it nice where you want it at. Just because my hair is so dark and I get so scared to use 40 volume, so I just use 30 a few times.
When we're in too deep.
This time I did like not all the way to the back, but for the most part of it, I tried to do a straight line. So if I wanted, I can wear my hair out like that. But in the back, it's really not straight, like parted straight perfectly, because each time you part your hair like that, you're gonna have to add new hairs. It's never gonna be perfect like that.
Tragedy when we're in too deep, and you and I, we got history. Yeah.
A little dry. But it's been stormy. It was windy as hell. So I don't really know what's been going on.